Hello snooker fans, welcome to Snooker Pro Club YouTube channel. I'm Willy Schultebert, a BC snooker coach and player. In this snooker practice video, Advanced Brick Building, I will share my thoughts on shot selection, cue ball spin, cue ball speed, and cue action. Let's begin. Cue ball below blue ball spot, and there is no easy way how to split red ball's back. In this situation, I need to use lots of cue power for cushion speed with a lots of right hand side. Slower and longer backswing will help you be more accurate and have better timing. Soft screw shot just tiny bit below cue ball center with a little bit right hand side. Why I played soft screw shot? I have more margin of error in positional play and there are no reds around black spot than with top spin shot because of many reds around. Soft screw shot a little bit below cue ball center. The biggest mistakes players make in these shots is that they leave for themselves straight shots without any angle. Make sure that you leave yourself higher or below red and you will have easy positional play for the next black ball. I always try to think at least 3 shots ahead. Thinking ahead will help you to think more clearly, strategically, and have better concentration. You will have better cue ball control, make bigger breaks, and be much better match player. On my flop shot, I'm already thinking about 5th and 6th shot. Therefore, I have to make sure that cue ball after my flop shot will be below black spot, so I could play black ball and get on some reds. Flop shot is soft stun shot. Stun shot and kill on the reds. No need to use more power in this shot, because gentle touch will be enough to open more reds. Watch second part. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.